Welcome to the MLK Day Assembly in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. On this day, we are not only going to acknowledge the accomplishments of an amazing man in American history, but also where his legacy has brought us to today. Hi, I'm Awefa. Well, actually, it's Awefa, and it's pronounced A-H-O-E-F-A. To be more specific, my entire name is Awefa Afiwa Elam Nanabi. Here, I'll say it again. Awefa Afiwa Elam Nanabi. My name is a huge part of my identity, and I'm sure many of you could say the same thing about yours. As a young African American woman in today's society, a society where your identity is often questioned, mine is extremely important to me. And I'm grateful for people like Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, and Angie Thomas for fighting for rights that help me protect my identity.
All of these photos are times of violent and nonviolent protests. From sit-ins to the Black Panther movement, we can see Black people coming together as one, trying to make a change for their lives for the better.
They may have wealth and malice, yet we have silence, power. Line in the center, dark and light, not one. As he spoke through impenetrable walls, faith, movement, and hope. He told us he had a dream in 1963, but now, in 2019, he has allowed us to dream.
Last one burning to flames. I'ma keep running 'cause the way